Hello, I'm Qijie. Today I'm excited to show you Defogging, a gamified exploration app, and that brings concept of mobile focus zones to the real world. Research shows that most people and tourists are lost in familiar or popular destinations, while traditional navigation is focused on the fastest route and ignores the fun of the process. The Foggy's mission is to turn every step of the way into a puzzle, a collection, and a sense of achievement so that everyone can fall in love with the unknown around the corner again. The model emphasized connected environments, making real environments interoperable with digital experiences. Defogging uses GPS tracks as a touchpoint to turn city blocks into visual grids. Once the player takes a step, the fog zone dispatched and the data is uploaded, creating a dynamic and shared terrain of familiarity. We focus on two core groups of users, gamers like Arjun, who need a daily change to get out their dorms, and also Maya, a visual creator looking for unique framing and perfect lighting. The fogging satisfy both of them with the same fogging and collecting mechanism. So for Arjun, it's a task. For Maria, it's a navigation for inspiration. And the user flow is very intuitive. Enter the say, uh, enter the say the fog, work and see the results, reward, instant pop up, and the reward in the long run. And the feedback and the animation are added at each step, making the act of exploration itself a positive feedback loop. These five features are interconnected. So focus on to tasks, to points, to rewards, to sharing, and back to exploring, forming a closed loop. Notably, we open up the rewards to local mechanics, creating realistic offers that further drive user behavior. Yes, so there is a showcase.
Hello everyone, now we are in Rumble Street and you can see a character in the center of the map. Firstly, I want to explain these two buttons. They are not formal buttons for the application. I just use them to move this character for testing. So now we can start, just press this button. Yeah, you can shift the model of fogging motor. And you can see some fog and the cars appeared after we press this button. Now, if you move your character, the character represents the location of the user. Yeah, so now the user is walking. The user walking to this area. It will be 10 meters to trigger this card. Okay. After you trigger that, you can click it to collect this card. This is a history card. Yeah. Then it will go to your wallet. And if we just go far into the fog area, you can see a really interesting fact. Yeah, the defogging area recording the road.
Yeah, Just imagine if a lot of interesting and unknown events occurs behind this forks. You will be so excited and you have the motivation to explore them. So that's the main of the fork.
Yeah. Also, if we shrink this map, you can see a very different landscape. This light area, the defogging area, represents the places you have been to. And also, to satisfy the different requirements of users, this application offers different color model, color style. Yeah, maybe let's try one more. The sunset. Yeah. So the shadow will zoom and shrink with the scale of the map. And there are some holiday themes. Okay.
So basically, it's the function of the map, the foggy map.
Hello everyone.
And for tech, for technology selection, I choose Flutter as the development framework, which provides excellent cross-platform performance and smooth user experience. The map service use Google Maps, which ensures the accuracy and the real-time performance of the map data. Data storage use a combination of SQLite and Firebase, which ensures fast access to local data and real-time of the cloud data. Yeah, the emphasis is on two things about UI and UX: the immersive feeling of the fog layer, dissipating pixel by pixel, and the fact that 90% of the functionality can be done with just one finger. We also follow the WCAG to ensure color contrast and narration text for a truly inclusive design. In the future, I'll plan to expand more city areas, add in exploration mission system, and build a user community with these features. We hope to make the interaction between users richer and the exploration process more interesting. Yeah, that's what about defogging. Thank you.